Okay, day 2 on the Disney Destiny was unreal. We did Castaway Cay, a full Disney photo shoot. The kids even did their own photo shoot. Then we met Maleficent, Cody filmed a ship tour, and we ended the night with Pirate Night fireworks. Let's go.
How does the boat stay still?
From the ropes that are hooked to the pier.
That'd be really strong.
Yep, gotta be some strong ropes.
Yeah.
Look how thick the ropes are down there.
We are pulling into Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. It is about 7:15 in the morning. Look, they have a Christmas tree.
And we're just having a quick breakfast before our photo shoot. Here's our view. Merry Christmas.
Okay, today was one of those days where we kept saying, wait, this is still the same day? We're on the Disney Destiny and day 2 is honestly packed. First up, Castaway Cay. We had a full-on Disney photo shoot today, like official Disney photos, the whole thing. And it was so easy. Our photographer met us right by seashells and everything else, near the first tram stop, and we walked just a few minutes to some gorgeous spots for different backdrops. The session runs about 20 to 30 minutes, so you get time for a bunch of poses and locations. And you can totally ask for shots without the ship or with fewer people in the background. Price-wise, we saw it listed for $275 for about 20 minutes with 5 photos included, with the option to purchase more. So definitely check your exact pricing on the Navigator app for your sailing. And I'm obsessed with how these turned out, like genuinely frame-worthy. Holly, thank you so much for the fun and capturing our family perfectly.
Alright, I just joined the kids for lunch on Castaway Cay.
They got ice cream?
Ice cream, mac and cheese. Is this like the lemon cake?
It's pineapple.
Pineapple upside down cake?
Yeah.
Alright. Jordan got a hot dog, chocolate chip cookie, chocolate brownies, and roasted barbecue chicken.
No, it's rotisserie chicken.
Ooh, rotisserie? Right. Jackson, what did you get?
I just got fruit, but I got chicken, pork rib, I think mac and cheese, dessert.
Dessert? a lake
fruit.
of melted ice cream and top of a cookie, brownie, and fruit.
I also had more cantaloupe.
And I got the chocolate chip cookie, spicy cornbread, a burger. It's really good, actually. Last night I had an ice cream sundae, so this is my 3rd ice cream of the cruise. Strawberry. Yeah.
We headed back to the ship early so Cody could film the ship tour with fewer people on board. But I wanted to give you a couple of facts about Castaway Cay in case you didn't know. Castaway Cay is Disney Cruise Line's private island in the Bahamas, reserved exclusively for Disney Cruise Line guests. The ship docks right at the pier, so you can hop on the tram to the family beach or the adults-only Serenity Bay. Lunch is included on the island. It's barbecue with fountain drinks and soft serve ice cream.
Can you share?
Do I share? always book a balcony. It's our favorite extra. Ocean views, fresh air, and a quiet reset spot every single day. Go ahead, guys.
Right. Now, do you have any powers of your own? Not yet? Perhaps you could join me in Forbidden Mountains, and we could share some power together. Sounds good. Very well. Well, I'm full of fun if you needed.
Okay, so I'm on deck 13, and here's the Aqua Mouse.
Okay, I'm about to meet Mickey Mouse. I'm really excited. Me and Mickey, the kids ditched me, but that's okay. I'm gonna get my autograph on my frame and meet Mickey Mouse. The mouse himself. The mouse himself. I can see Chip and Dale from here. They're so cute. Everyone's in their pirate outfits. Not to give it away, but...
Very top, deck 15. We're in the Quiet Cove area, adults only area. Here's the view of Castaway Cay. We have from way up here. There's actually no one in here right now, so let's just kind of zoom through. Okay, we got the Quiet Cove Panorama Pool and the Quiet Cove Bench Pool here. A really cool infinity pool. It's really nice. Alright, and then we got the Cove Bar. Hi. Good, how are you guys? Alright. These seats are, loungers are very comfortable. Alright, let's see. Looks like, yep, automatic doors. Alright. Nice. Alright. Very good space.
Meanwhile,
And this way as well. And 1, 2, 3.
I got the Mickey hands clock. It's cool. Plenty of seating on this ship. It's really nice. No problem finding a spot to chill, hang out. It's Donald's pool. Life jackets for the kiddos. And above me is the Aqua Mouse tube. Wraps around the ship. It's a really fun ride. That'll be a different video. So here's the bottom of the yellow twisty slide. Let's see. Oh, is it called Slidosaurus? Oh yeah, okay. It's called Slidosaurus Rex. That's cool. All right, so here is Mickey's Festival of Foods. Mickey's Smokestack Barbecue. Really, really good barbecue food. Love it. Plenty of dining areas. Daisy's Pizza Pies. And Donald's Cantina extras. Get really good tacos and burritos in there. Beverage stations. Coffee. Great views. Now we're on the level where you sit for the movies. Yes, Muppet Treasure Island. Another one of my favorites. This one's called Mini Spool. Very good. More life jackets and seating. Incredible views. Automatic doors. Dory's Forget-Me-Nots. Okay. It's a cool store. Got all kinds of merch in there. Here's the Marceline Market. This is towards the back of the ship. I really like this bird piece right here. Hand washing station. Some more art on the wall. Of course, they have all kinds of display cases in here. Alright, so yeah, the buffet is closed, but it's really good. We usually go here for breakfast. And we go to Mickey's Festival of Foods for lunch. Got the juice over there. More beverage stations. And on the way far back of the ship, outdoor seating. Aromatically auspicious arrangements. Okay. Alright, and then this is the other side of the Marceline Market. It's just a mirror. Port side and starboard side are exactly the same, so plenty of room for thousands of people. And rooms on deck 12. Oh dang, look at this. Sheesh. I actually saw him yesterday. That was an experience you don't want to miss. Mind-blowing experience. Wow, that is intense. Now, you wouldn't think that this massive thing is actually real. But it is. Ooh, yeah, Brave. And Mulan. Princess Tiana. Ooh, Raya and the Last Dragon. Very nice. And Pocahontas. Got art from Up. Here's Mickey's mainsail. So much merch in there. I really like that the Disney Destiny color themes are purple and blue. Noelle's favorite color is purple, my favorite color is blue, so it's pretty awesome. We've got the great art. Brave. That's really cool. Mickey's mainsail still wrapping around. Ooh, this is Cafe Merida. Very cool. Okay, you got shutters over here where you look at all your photos. Captain America shield, Thor hammer. What? Ooh, is that Count Dooku's lightsaber? I think it is. Wow. Oh, and the Darksaber. Okay. Oh, look, Chip and Dale.
Come on up to the stage. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's play Who's
We got a
Behind
bunch of
the
people
Curtain.
meet Pirate Daisy.
Round
All right.
one.
Really cool art.
So there's not one right.
So depiction of
Not made by the way.
every single place on the ship.
left.
We are on an inaugural sailing.
Saga snacks. Nice. All right, so first they got Walt Disney Theater that way, Neverland Cinema, Saga, and Worlds of Marvels. Now let's check out the Neverland Cinema, see if they're playing anything right now. The movie just finished. Here's the little Neverland Cinema. Looks like the same as on the trigger. Okay, here's some movies that are playing in there today. We just saw the Neverland Cinema. Let's turn to the other side. And this is the Wonderland Cinema, Alice in Wonderland. Okay, very cool. Cinema. Looks like, oh yeah, lit up, cool. Creepy. Nope. All right. Here's the Wonderland Cinema. Quite different. Very nice. Okay, here's what the Wonderland Cinema is playing. Oh, 1, 2, 3, just one right after the other. All right. This looks like a massive tapestry made out of coins. We got Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo Cheek. Maleficent theme, looks like. Very cool. Boys and girls, come in here and get all decked out. Pandora jewelry store. It's actually called Treasures Untold. Here is the Sanctum. It's a Doctor Strange themed lounge area. Got a stage up there for live performances. Got another bar here. Okay, and then here we're on the main floor of the atrium. A lot of people hang out in here. Very cool space. All the different door numbers. Artist renderings, carpet selections. Oh, this is cool. The texture, attention to detail is always incredible with anything Disney. Look at all the color schemes. We got these digital LED anim. Let's do a little walk through here. Heroes and villains theme, so that's always incredible. Hero 6 villain. One animation. 80s. Panic. Jafar. That is the Walt Disney side of 1923. We got some new cups for the Disney Destiny that you can buy inside. Sometimes a ghost will appear in that mirror. Alright, let's go. Ooh, moody. Very moody. Extended video, but for right now, just gonna kind of walk around. Get a quick little video here. Just a quick little walkthrough. Skeleton fish tank. Like Pandora's box right there. It says the venue's at capacity, but I'm just gonna stick my camera in here for a second. Just kind of give you a visual of everything that goes down in here. This must be a really cool place because it's full already. Alright. Deck 2 is where the two littlest kids clubs are. They actually have a slide that goes down into the Oceaneers Club right here. So let's check that out. Okay, it's Wreck-It Ralph themed. So there's the Oceaneer Club schedule. Not allowed to go in there right now, but they do have an open house tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. It looks like the same as on the Treasure. I think the only difference is the carpet. You got the Wreck-It Ralph theme, Sugar Rush theme carpet. And then here is the nursery. It's like the only kids club you have to pay for. It's a Small World nursery, open early and late. To the end of the tour. Thank you so much for watching. This is an incredible ship, and it's just so much fun to be on an inaugural cruise.
What are you doing?
doing?
Pirate night, baby. Let's go.
Be prepared.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Elevators at the front of the ship have the villains, and the back of the ship have the heroes.
Hi, Captain.
Arr.